Let's explore PHP Object-Oriented Programming interfaces. We will look into their definition and implementation. An interface is a contract that defines which methods a class must implement. An interface tells what to do, not how to do it. Here's the syntax for defining an interface. Start with the keyword interface, followed by the interface name. Within the interface block, declare the methods that classes implementing this interface must define. Notice that only the method signatures are defined without any implementation. Let's create an interface named drawable. It defines three methods: draw, getArea, and setColor. Any class that implements the drawable interface must provide implementations for all three of these methods. To implement an interface, use the implements keyword in the class declaration. Here, the circle class implements the drawable interface. This means the circle class must provide implementations for the draw, getArea, and setColor methods defined in the drawable interface. Here is an example showing a complete implementation of the drawable interface. Class rectangle implements drawable. The draw method returns the string drawing rectangle, and the getArea method returns the product of width and height. There are a couple of important rules to keep in mind when working with interfaces. First, interfaces cannot contain properties or method bodies. They only define method signatures. Second, all methods declared in an interface must be public. Interfaces offer several benefits in object-oriented programming. They ensure consistent method signatures across different classes, and they enable multiple inheritance of behavior, allowing classes to implement multiple interfaces and inherit their contracts. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.